Hello, this is Craig. I'm here to do another pepper review for you guys. Today's pepper is the hottest in the world, Carolina Reaper. Um, it was developed by a man named Ed Curry down in Fort Mill, South Carolina, only about 5 miles down the road from me, which is pretty cool. Scoville units on it, it's 1.5 million, 2.2 million, which is very, 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 very hot. Um, what else? This is what it looks like. Uh, it looks like a Butch T, but it's got more bumps on it. Mosquitoes are biting bad, sorry. So it's got bumps all over it. Kind of like a brain strain, but still looks like a Butch T. It's got the tail. Um, I've heard they're really sweet, but we'll see how that goes. I really shouldn't be doing this right now. It's 90 degrees out here. It's 7 o'clock at night. This is ridiculous. I got mosquitoes swarming everywhere. You can see them swarming. So let me spray up. Oh, ugh. Probably gonna be, that might be worse than the pepper. All right, let me cut it. Here it is, Carolina Reaper. It's not a big one, but we'll, you know. And to show you that I'm actually cutting it, here you go. I'm not throwing it and getting a new one. Let me take the stem off. Oh God. Ugh. Oh, it is just nasty in there. Ugh. Don't eat a pepper that looks like that, guys. Seriously, it's not worth it. But I'm here to do it, so I'm gonna do it. Here it goes. Carolina Reaper. All that. By the way, it smells like perfume and really strong pepper spray, something like that. But it smells sweet. We'll see. Ready, set, go. It was sweet. Mmm. About to be rough. Whoa. So I just swallowed it. um, Initial thoughts. Sweet, florally, a little bit like flower tasting. Um, Not burning while you chew it. But the second it goes down, it is a fireball. Oh, shaking a little bit. Check my shirt. My shirt told me to do it, so. Oh, got a seed stuck on my throat. Mm. Whoa. Tingling. Bloodshot. Sweating. Bit by mosquitoes. It's hot. Very, very hot. It's too hot out here. Dripping snot. Oh. Why did I do it? I don't know how many minutes I'm in, but it's not slowing down. It's getting worse. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Ed, you made a good pepper. It is hot. It deserves to be hottest in the world, I would have to say. The worst, worst I've done. And I'm able to. I'll be right back. Hold on. I get more paper towels. I apologize for that. Oh, my worst one yet. Oh, don't do this at home. Do not. 7 minutes in. Still has not slowed down. All right. Did have a good taste there. I will say that, but nothing you would eat all day long. Sweating. Got poison ivy. It's hot. Mosquitoes biting me. Pepper seed stuck in my throat. Seed stuck in my tooth. Oh, gosh. Uh, Let me take a selfie first. All right. Oh, sorry. I tried my best to stay calm, guys. I really did. It got the best of me. It did. It beat me. Oh, got more pepper reviews to come, but not yet. I gotta take a break. That is brutal. Brutal. Feel it in my stomach now. It's like a punch right in the stomach. Why do I enjoy doing this? I don't know why, but I do. Oh. Oh, my eyes. Damn mosquitoes. Okay, I can't feel it when they bite me. I can't feel my face. So that's a good thing. Afterthoughts. Not much to say. It's the hottest in the world for a reason. Never shook so much all in my arms, my face. Um, the burn, the roof of the mouth. Not so much on the tongue, but throat, throat and roof of the mouth. Now my stomach. That's bad. Uh, and tasting the bug spray, and it's awful right now, guys. Just awful. Starting to chill out a little bit. It's not as hot, but it's still terrible. Wow. Also, this is my first real pepper of the year. Probably should have done something a little milder, or bell pepper, something like that. I don't know why I did this. Skip straight to this, but oh, sorry, I'm disgusting. So, I hope you like my review. Try my best, but that's gonna be it for today. Oh, this is gonna put me on my butt. I already am, but I'm just gonna be out. Well, thanks again for watching. That was Carolina Reaper. It's a fitting name. It's a Reaper. It's from South Carolina. Thank you, Ed, for developing it. Not, not fun at all. Now mosquitoes are biting my screen. All right, that's a wrap. See you guys later. Craig.